NVTS stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So I'm observing Navitas Semiconductor stock, and I'm like, right, yeah, it's gonna put like giving me some good numbers, like 21% gains is cool, but I'm still like can't recover from last time. I mean, that was long and it was a beautiful color. Like let's be honest. But with that, now we have new highs that were right there. I'm actually gonna get rid of this. No, that's cool. Yeah, this is really cool. I like the price section that we have right now. Not that I'm gonna like randomly buy tomorrow though, you know, not in that way. This is obviously all demo and simulated, it's not financial advice. But the only way that was actually gonna move me forward and just trigger that buying response in me is if I see my double break confirmation, man. That's it. That's how NVTS looks like for me. So if the price gives me the rules, cool. If it doesn't, then it's also cool. I would just not force anything. So that's how NVTS looks like. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.